Hello everyone, this is Pratisha and today I am going to discuss the crisis of 1991 forced the India for the financial help from IMF and the World Bank. To manage the economic crisis of 1991, Indian government approached the International Bank for reconstructions and the development. Here, international means IBRD is the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund IMF received 7 billion loan. Here now for available to provide or provide the ability of the loan, the international agency accepted India to liberalize or open up the economy, where we know that our economy is closed economy. Here they want to open up our Indian economy, है ना, the crisis of 1991. Here first removing the restrictions on the private sector. Here removing means जितने भी restrictions थे, आने जाने में जो एंट्री थी, किसके लिए, जो प्राइवेट हैंड्स के लिए जो एंट्री थी, उन सब के लिए जो एंट्री थी उनको अलाउड करना, प्राइवेट सेक्टर को एटोनॉमी देना, फ्रीडम देना, जिससे वो अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकें. जो रिस्ट्रिक्शंस थे, बैरियर्स थे, उन सबको हटा देना. किसके ऊपर से? प्राइवेट हैंड्स के ऊपर से. रिड्यूसिंग द रोल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इन मैनी ऑफ द एरियाज. ये तो हम सभी को पता है कि पहले से सारा रोल और एटोनॉमी, है ना, और जितना भी कंट्रोल किसके हाथ में था? गवर्नमेंट के हाथ में था. तो गवर्नमेंट उससे अच्छा प्रोग्रेस नहीं कर पा रही थी. मीन्स no good result given by the government and the private sector was ignored earlier. That's why reduce the role of the government and many of the areas. उसके कारण ही 1991 में क्या उनकी जो डिमांड थी, बोला था कि जो गवर्नमेंट का जो रोल है उसको कम कर दिया जाए. देन रिमूविंग द ट्रेड रिस्ट्रिक्शंस. जो रिमूविंग द ट्रेड रिस्ट्रिक्शन मीन्स टू से जो आने जाने में जितने भी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस थे, बैरियर्स थे, है ना, जो कोटास वगैरह बना दिए थे ट्रेड में, उन सबको हटा देना. थैंक यू. लेट्स सी द न्यू इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी NEP was announced in July 1991. We know that India adopted the new economic policy in 1991. Here the new economic policy here LPG. L means the liberalization, P means the privatization, G means the globalization. Let us discuss. It consists a wide range of economic reforms. A wide range of economic reforms means a number of reforms taken by the government, or we can say the new economic policy consists of the number of economic reforms. The main aim of the policy is to create more competitive environment in the economy and remove the various entry growth of the firm. Here the main and foremost aim of the new economic policy is to create more competitive environment, है ना, worldwide. We know that earlier various policy was adopted by the government, but it doesn't work it is not very much fruitful. That's why Indian government has to take or adopt the new economic policy, है ना. The new economic policies are broadly categorized into two. First is stabilization measure and another one is structural measure. Stabilization is word clearly defined the stability, or we can say that it is for the short run period. Here stabilization measures means correcting the weakness of balance of payment. Means if the country has a deficit balance of payment, we have to correct or we have to rectify it. What was the problem faced during that time, so we unable to meet out the balance of payment or the expenditure incurred at that time, है ना. Then come to the controlling inflation, means increase in general price. What are the reason for increase in the general price? To control or come up with the we know that the trade cycle is boom, recession and recovery. Come up with the not that much boom, not recession, or the we have to place up with the recovery, है ना. Then come to the structural measure. Structural measure for the long term measure or a long term period. Here structural measure means improve the efficiency, means utilizing the resources in an optimum way, so the less wastage are there and resources are using more in a effective and efficient ways to get the more productivity, है ना. Then increase in the international competition. The main structural means to form a structural ways to come up with the market. Who can come up with the market? The private sector. They have great ideas, innovations, है ना. And if the more investment with the private hand, so we create a more competitive environment, or we can say the rigidness given to the private hands, it can be removed, and the trade will be increase more and more, and it will create a more competitive environment in the economy.